Now let's look at this figure 21-2. And of course the title head is Division 2, Gases, 500.5B2, exceptions 1 and 2. Now the previous illustration that we looked at, 21-1, is where the gas or vapor is present all the time when the equipment is operating, and maybe operators and inspectors and maintenance people are in that area all the time. But notice in this Division 2 area, you have things such as piping, valves, checks, meters, and similar devices that are considered Class 1 Division 2 because they only leak during abnormal conditions. So as the note points out to us, storage areas for hazardous liquids or liquefied compressors and gases in sealed containers are normally considered hazardous locations. But these are Division 2 areas where gases are present only when a valve, check, meter, or similar devices leak abnormally. In other words, they're concealed except if abnormal conditions should occur. And of course, you find the same thing in API 500 10.15.1.1. Now we'll get into NFPA 497 coming up, dealing with these gas and vapor areas. And that's what this figure 21-2 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.